in there.
Alright, now pull it. Woo! Not too much damage to the firewall. Thanks, peoples. That's it. I've been working on it about 3 hours off and on a day. Started this morning, so it ain't too bad. We got it out. On to the next step. We'll holler at you.
Yep.
Appreciate it there, babe. I'll catch y'all later. We're trying out a new little head mount cam that I got. We're gonna clean this engine bay up a little bit. It's real nasty. Got some paint coming off right here. I think I'm gonna POR 15 it, but I just gotta get it clean first, so I think that's what we're gonna do now. I'm about to start shooting and spraying it here in a minute. Might get loud, so bear with me. Alright. Cut this off. Compressor won't cut off by itself. One of my buddies gave me that, so I'll deal with it for free. Pretty big compressor. Probably an easy fix too. I just gotta look into it. See what's up, but it won't cut off, that's all. That shit smell pretty good. I'm trying to soak it all down. I'm trying to get it degreased pretty good. I'm gonna do multiple runs. I actually got hot water coming out the back faucet. We got it plumbed into the hot water, so for stuff like this, I can let it get hot. Kind of break up some of that nasty stuff when I'm working on the project. Woo! Yes, sir. That's hot right there. Really have to get something to cut it with. Have to get a brush or something. That's what I have to do. That'd be my next step, hit it with a brush, but what do you think?
Oh yeah, good stuff, good stuff.
All right, that turned out well. They cleaned a lot of that off. It's nice to have the right equipment. That looks damn good. It's gonna be ready for some POR 15 real soon. Got a lot of that grease off. I like it. One step closer, baby.